the Tanana forest, spring has just begun, bringing with it an abundance of new life. The elusive silver-breasted montle, once plentiful in this valley, now on the brink of extinction. Naturally playful and incredibly curious, the montle spends his day frolicking through the ferns. Oh my! A montle cap has spotted our camera. A closer look. This one stumbles upon a local watering hole. Let's take a dip. The average montle will feed for 16 hours a day. Naturally social creatures, this one has made a new friend. But not all residents of the Tanana forest are friends. The big bird. The only known predator of the silver-breasted montle. The chase is on. What the montle lacks in speed, it more than makes up for in stamina. Montle massacre. A devastating blow to a beleaguered species. But wait, one has survived. It calls out to the herd. No response. With temperatures dropping, surviving the night shall be no easy task. Extinction may be inevitable. It seems as though the end is near. Or is this a new beginning? Life finds a way. Although the road ahead is uncertain, and trials and tribulations are many, the montle marches on.